that we are getting. Even when it comes to the breaking update, the NDA getting majority, but here it seems that the opposition is now seeking formation. There is a faction within the India bloc that is now exploring certain prospects when it comes to government formation. Let me go across to Nyamika. Nyamika, good morning. We are told that certain one-on-one meetings seems to be happening. What's happening within the India bloc?
Well, absolutely. As yesterday, we have seen that one-on-one meetings have taken place, in which a faction of leaders of the India bloc has suggested that they should continue to explore the prospect of forming a government, as this has come after there was an official India bloc meeting that had taken place at the residence of the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, and after that there were certain one-to-one meetings that have taken place, and in that particular meeting, the sources have suggested that the TMC had advocated for the active pursuit of the allies and suggested that Uddhav Thackeray should endeavor to contact the Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena, as TMC will be having more one-to-one meetings with the other India bloc members, as well as we have also seen, and it was being told to us by our sources that some of the MPs from the Shinde camp are currently in contact with Uddhav Thackeray, and for that reason now TMC has also suggested that they should continue to do it, as we have also seen that how there were certain reports which are coming in that all is not well in Maharashtra, and that's the reason why there were some differences.
So rumblings within the India bloc that seems to be happening there. Sabyasachi, would you want to give your input on this? Because we heard Mallikarjun Kharge right after that party meeting that happened when it comes to the opposition party leaders. They have been saying and suggesting rather that they will not form the government, they will not stake claim to form the government because they do not have the required numbers. But Sabyasachi, it seems that there are rumblings within the India bloc saying that they still need to actively pursue on a possibility to get more allies on their side.
Well, absolutely. See, as per the sources within the Trinamool Congress, some of the bloc within the India Alliance bloc, if you talk about the Trinamool Congress, if you talk about the Uddhav Thackeray faction as well as the Aam Aadmi Party, they are not happy with the kind of stand that has been taken by the India bloc. Mostly if you talk about the Congress party, when they have said that the final decision whether to form the government would be taken at the appropriate time, and at the appropriate time, appropriate decision would be taken. Now, this particular statement has been questioned, and this particular statement has not made Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee very much happy, because they are not satisfied with this stand of the India bloc parties. And that is the reason why we are seeing that yesterday Abhishek Banerjee was meeting a series of leaders. He met Akhilesh Yadav here in the national capital. Then he met Uddhav Thackeray and Aditya Thackeray, and also he met Sanjay Singh and Raghav Chadha. Now, as per the sources, in the coming days, more one-on-one meeting could be held by Abhishek Banerjee with the other leaders of the India bloc parties. See, the Trinamool Congress strongly believe that at this particular time, the opposition bloc, the India bloc, should not be passive. They should be actively looking to form the government, and that is the reason why. According to reports that suggest that they still are looking for an active pursuit when it comes to gathering more allies to their side, because they still believe that there is a teeny-beeny, when it comes to possibility that the India bloc can still form the government at the center. For the moment, Nyamika, Sabyasachi, thank you very much for joining in. More updates lined up, especially when it comes to the swearing-in ceremony that is likely to happen on the 9th of June. Stay tuned.